And we had the very lovely Denise and Anastasia looking after us, didn't we?
And they fed us well. They fed us too well. I don't feel like eating for another day.
No, but you must admit that if it was a Grand Prix, Dennis would be...
He'd win.
He'd win, hands down. I've never... Here we are, we're just at for the first turning point now, or first waypoint. That's good.
But they can't have any road rules, and no one checks on them.
No, quite interesting, really. But I have you got any fingernails left? You've been chewing them off?
No, I've chewed them all off, yeah. But our speed limits mean nothing.
No.
Like I saw a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit and we're going through it at 120.
Yeah, well, maybe it means 120. No, look, they were very, very hospitable. We had a lovely time in Vladivostok. And we changed our plans a little bit. Today we were going to go to Khabarovsk, spend a few hours on the ground with a group of Russian pilots, and then on to Blagogoshchensk. But the weather, each sector is about 2 hours long, and there are no alternates in between. So if we get up the road, we can't get in somewhere, we've got 2 hours to get to the next place. And so we decided anyway, didn't we, that the weather looked okay where we're headed now, Khabarovsk, I think that's how it's pronounced. And we're headed for the large airport there, and then we'll make I think it's about 15 nautical miles away to the GA field, which is an old military field.
Yeah, called Kalinga.
Kalinga, yes. So, yeah, so we really don't. We think the weather's good at the other end, and all the best information we've got. But I guess we're just going to have to go. But looking ahead now, I can't believe it's looking that good.
Yeah, there's nothing nasty up there, stratus.
No, no.
And we've got a high overcast above us as well.
Yep. Anyway, we are now staying the night at Khabarovsk. We have no idea what we're going to expect. But if the hospitality is anything like we've just experienced, it'll be a good night.
So are we staying at Khabarovsk or Kalinga?
I have no idea where we're staying. I guess somebody up there might. You know, and maybe it's a chicken coop. Who knows?
Did you think you'd be wandering around Russia and not knowing where you were going to stay the night?
No.
Not even which town you were going to be in for the night?
No. But hey, two young blokes having fun, Bob. This adds to it.
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah, all right. See you all later on.
Okay.
Checking out for a meantime. Cheers now.